Good morning, children. How are you all? I think you all are fit and fine, and you all are staying at home. Children, in today's math session, I will discuss with you about the basics, or I can say the basic concepts of large numbers. That is, we are going to discuss about the lesson 1. Let's start our lesson. I will start my lesson with place value chart. What is place value chart, children? A place value chart is a diagram that helps us to find and compare the place value of the digits in numbers through millions. The place value of a digit in the place value chart increases by 10 times as we shift to the left and decreases by 10 times as we shift to the right. So, what is the only logic? What is the only inner meaning about the place value chart? Place value chart is a chart which help us actually to find out the place value of the digits of a number. So, suppose the number is 13 crores 29 lakhs 78,645. So, how we can place it in the place value chart? This is the place value chart which is starting from ones, then tens, then hundreds, then thousand, then 10,000, then lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, and 10 crores. So, whatever be the number, we will place them left to rightwards in the place value chart. Now, come to the point, basic concepts. In Indian number system or Hindu Arabic number system, lakh is also written as lakh. Successors. What are the successors? Successor is the number just after the given number. So, successor is that number which preceded by a given number, and predecessors is a number just before the given number. So, successor is the number just after the given number, and predecessors is the number just before the given number. So try to understand the difference. One is just after a given number, and predecessor is the number just before the given number. The first period is consists of three digits called the unit digits or unit periods. So in the place value chart, the first period is consists of three digits, and that is called the unit digits. Unit periods. So unit periods consist of hundreds, tens, and ones. Second is the second period is consists of two digits, that is called the thousand period. Same as well, the third period consists of two digits, that is called the lakhs period. And finally, we can say crores digits, or the fourth period is also consists. Again, I'm repeating that the fourth period is also consists of two digits. They are crores as well as 10 crores. Our next point of discussion is today expanded form of the place value chart. What is expanded form? The expanded form and short form of the numbers are written according to the place value of the given numbers. So, what to remember? We have to remember that expanded form and short form of numbers are written according to the place value of the given numbers. Number 2 point, what to remember? Place value. Each digit in a number has its own value depending on its position. So, each digit of a number has its own value and it is actually depending on its position. For example, children, I am having a number. The number is consisting the following digits: 9893389772. So children, you can find out over here 9 is coming 3 times in this 9 digit. The digit 9 is coming 3 times in this number. First digit, the 9 is coming in the place of 100. So we will write it 900. The second 9 digit, the digit 9, second times, it is coming in the place value of 90 lakhs. That means 9 into 10 lakhs. So its place value is 10 lakhs. Next 9 is coming, that is last position, and that is said to be the 90 crore. That is 9 into 10 crores. So I think it is clear to you. Each digit in a number has its own value depending on its position. Third point that is to be remembered is that expanded form and short form of the numbers are written according to the place value of the given numbers. Children, now I will discuss with you about the basic concepts or the basic rules to be followed regarding or when we are going to compare two numbers. Formation of smallest and greatest numbers. 0 is never written on the leftmost place. So, when we will form any number, what to remember? 0 is never written on the leftmost place. To write the smallest number, start with the smallest digit on the leftmost place and then write the other digits in the ascending order, but never put 0 in the leftmost place. So what to remember? I have already told you in the classroom. To write the smallest number, start with the smallest digit on the leftmost place and then write other digits in ascending order. That means smaller to bigger order. When repetition of digits is not allowed. Condition: when repetition of digits is not allowed. Number 3. To write the greatest number, start with the greatest digit on the leftmost place and then write other digits in descending order. So, next point to be remembered, To write greatest number, start with the greatest digit on the leftmost place and then write the other digits in the descending order, that means bigger to smaller order. When the condition we have to follow, the repetition of the digits is not allowed. Number 4, when repetition of digits is not allowed, for writing the greatest number, the greatest digit is repeated on the leftmost place. Next point to be remembered, when repetition of digits is allowed. Number 4 point, I am repeating you once again, when repetition of digit is allowed. Condition, once again I am repeating with you, when repetition of digit is allowed. For writing the greatest number, the greatest digit is repeated on the leftmost corner. So when repetition is allowed and when we are forming the greatest number, then what to do? We will repeat the greatest number at the leftmost corner only. Now, the last point, when repetition of digits is allowed. So condition here also, repetition of digits is allowed. For writing the smallest number, the smallest digit is repeated on the leftmost place. So, when we will form smallest number with repetition of some digits, that time what to do? We have to remember the point that we will repeat the smallest digit in the leftmost corner only, then only the smallest digit can be formed. Now, children, I will discuss with you about the basic concepts of international number system or English number system. So, this is the second type of number system. First of type of number system is Indian number system, or we can say it Hindu Arabic number system. And now our point of discussion is second type of number system, that is international number system. The basic points to be remembered is that separate the period by putting commas in groups of 3 from the extreme right. So what is the first point to be remembered here, children? In the international number system, each period is consisting of 3 digits from the right to left. Example, 305, 692, 888. 888 is said to be the unit period. 692 is said to be the thousand period, and 305 is said to be the million period. The first 3 digits from the extreme right make units period. Next 3 digits make thousand period, and the last or the next 3 periods makes the millions period. Now I will show you one comparison chart. At the leftmost side, Indian system, then in the middle period and the rightmost side it is English system. Indian system, ones, tens, hundred, altogether said to be the unit. In the English system also same to same, ones, tens, hundred, combinedly said unit period. Next, Indian system, 1000, 10,000, lakh. 1000, remember that, 1000, 10,000, lakh. All together, combinedly, it is said to be the thousand. And English number system, 100, 1000, 10,000, and 100,000. Again, I am repeating for you: 1,000, 10,000, and 100,000. All together, combinedly, it is said to be the thousands period. Next, Indian system: lakhs, 10 lakhs, 1 crore, and 10 crore. And in the international number system, we will say 1 million, 100 million, and 1000 million. All together, we will say it. This is the billion period. 1 million, 100 million, 1000 million. All together, we will say combinedly, this is the million period. And today's last point of discussion, that is Roman numerals. There are 7 basic Roman numerals. They are, or the symbol we used for these 7 basic numerals are, in the Roman number system, I, V, X, L, C, D, M. And if we compare the value with Indian system, I means 1, V means 5, X means 10, L means 50, C means 100, D means 500, and M means 1000. Only and only these are the 7 digits. They are only used in the Roman number system, nothing else. All the numbers in the Roman number system can be formed by using only these 7 symbols, and some basic conditions. What are the basic conditions? V and L are never subtracted. That means 5 and 50 are never subtracted. V and L are never repeated. That means 5 and 50 are never repeated when we will form any bigger Roman number. Roman numbers did not have any zero. They started only with 1 and end up with only 1000. It starts with I and ends with M. If we write any numeral to the left to the numeral, it is subtracted. That means if we write any numeral left to a bigger numeral, that means the smaller numeral must be subtracted from the bigger one. Next condition, if any numeral is written to the right side of a numeral, that means it is added to the numeral. That means if we write any smaller numeral after a bigger numeral, that means they both are added with each other to form a new number. Next condition, I is subtracted from V and X only. That means in Indian place value system, for your understanding, I will say in the Roman number system, only 1 is subtracted from 5 and 10. Remember that in the Roman number system, I means 1 is subtracted from 5 and 10 to form the digit 4 and 9. Children, remember that to form the digit 4 and 9. And secondly, remember that 10 means X, that is subtracted from L and C. That means in the Roman number system, 10 is subtracted from 50 and 100 to form to form 40 and 90. So children, this much is for today's session. In the next session, we will meet with each other and we will discuss any new topic. Till then, children, stay tuned and goodbye. Take care.